I'm Jason Davis. I'm the director of Climate Stories Project. Today we're doing a workshop about climate storytelling. So we have students here from ETSU, we have people from the public, and we're just learning about what climate storytelling is and why it's so important. So the basic approach is we need to tell climate stories because without talking about climate change, it's going to be really hard to confront this crisis that we have. So we're having everyone think about what's their climate story in terms of what are they observing on the ground in their home place, how do they feel about that with their emotions, and also how can they make a difference towards a more positive future. People do a little brainstorming, they write their story, they also get a chance to share with a partner, and we get to share with the whole group of people as well. And then hopefully after that, people want to continue with the process, writing their stories and submitting it to share on the Climate Stories Project website. This feels like a good place for me to be, is encouraging people to have these conversations that can be difficult about climate change, thinking about what our stories are, trying to really connect to what it feels like to experience climate change in the real world and not just as an abstract idea. So the workshops are super fun, people are really energized, and we've done them in schools, we've done them in libraries and museums, and it just keeps growing. So it's just great to be here, and I hope you want to continue to be involved.